This is the first video in a series of videos that's going to be on how to update a resume. We're going to be using examples of actual resumes that I'm updating for people who have given me permission to include in a video. We're going to be going through a lot of different techniques, like how to add metrics to your resume if you don't know what the metrics are, which is how to estimate metrics. We're going to be talking about how to format your resume, how to really build a resume from scratch. Like, where do you start? You might start by just adding in work bullets. That's not where I start. I actually start by asking questions like, what do you want to do next? And what are the skills that you're proud of that you want to keep doing? And then I build a resume from there. So we're going to be going through all that. But for this video, this is the first in a series. One, what is a resume? That's a question I want to address. When we think about a resume, what comes to mind is a couple of work bullets, a couple education bullets, some skills, top line, summary of the skill set and what you're hoping to do. Those are things that we might think of when we think about how to define a resume, and that's what we see on resumes. But I think there's another way of looking at resumes that's more powerful. A resume is a story. It's a chapter one of you. And you're going to give that to someone, and you're going to talk to them about it for maybe an hour in an interview to see if they're going to be interested in chapter two. And maybe if they're going to be interested in investing in it more long term. A resume is a story. And what I'm doing is I'm sitting with people and I am helping them craft their story in a concise way. And I'm going to be sharing the tips here. So what this video is, for lack of a better term, this is my chapter one. This is my resume for the video series, where I hope you'll be interested in chapter two. But more to come later. But for now, please enjoy the resumes I'm going to be posting from people who have been reaching out to me. And if you are interested in, if you need help with your resume, or you have a friend who needs help with their resume, or career coaching, feel free to leave a comment and I'll reach out to you. But thanks so much for listening.